For even longer distances, consider this Extender 3001 LP. This extender is a powerhouse, offering an incredible reach of up to 2,600 feet in paired mode. It's also waterproof 30 watts output, although the speed is 100 megabits per second. This is an excellent choice when you need to cover expensive areas but don't require gigabit speeds, giving you flexibility in larger installations.